No breakfast?
My late, it's almost 7 in the office.
So you can't spend 30 minutes to prepare breakfast for me?
I was able to office at 6. I'm such a so cool. Iowa! Iowa!
Yes?
Iowa, but you never was in the man wanting. I late.
I'll see you later. Boss, wait a Mr. Why lucky? Machiaba, would the bedi meko? And I am Kuma, and I am quite.
Don't worry, I'll be fine, okay?
But Madam say I should prepare something for you before.
And I'm saying I'll be dressed fine. She's supposed to do that herself. And if she's not doing it.
But he said, as he take care of you.
That's what she said, but I'll be fine. Don't worry, I'll get something on my way to the work.
Ah, boss, that's what you want now for.
What I'm telling you is, if she's supposed to do that herself, if she's not doing it, it's prefer get it outside. All that I want you to do, just take care of the house. We are going in, okay? Thank you.
Boss, save Jenny.
Alright, thanks very much. Mavis, I want to talk to you. Get up.
Oh my God.
Mavis, this question has been bothering me for some time now. Today, I need an answer to this question. Why did I get married to you in the first place? I got married to you for so many reasons. But none of them that I've got an opportunity to get. You don't cook for me. You don't wash for me. And even if I want to make love to you, it becomes a problem. I want to know, is it a crime to make love to my wife?
That's what I'm saying. When I'm 11:30, this is the time I'm 3. It was also by 5:30. And I'm baby. Betting that I'm
I can make love to you for even just 10 minutes and I'll be okay.
And I'm
I can't also sleep. So what do I do now? Am I supposed to always beg my wife for love? And even if I do it, I don't even get it? Look at the time. I'm still trying to make love to you and you are still rejecting it. So what's the essence of me getting married to you? Mavis? I can't control myself till weekends. We can make love for about 10 minutes. Let's make love.
Oh, Azay!
Please.
Azay, what's that? Jump. I can't be so. Messing my baby, tell me I'm a counsel before so me. If ever. I never see me tell me I'm quite my bread. Or shall I make us rental?
With this mood of yours, even if you give me the chance, I can't even enjoy you. I can't enjoy you. Now I know. Now your questions and the answers which have been baffling me is answered. You are cheating on me. Thank you.
Come on. Now where?
That is none of your business. I'm going to drink.
Hello. How are you guys? Good.
The clients in Sunyani called. The goods are in. And so I have spoken to the accountant. He's going to give you petty cash. So tomorrow what you're going to do is this. You're going to pick a car and then you go and then pick up Mavis. And then you leave for Sunyani. So don't come to the office in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
I'm talking to you, you're walking out on me. I'm talking to you, it has gotten to that level. In now, we need to say a appointment there. We have to go and meet our doctor. You are here telling me you are going to work?
I can't say a client is from each other. On the court now. Also, I'm going to a meeting. They can't wait for me. Can go there tomorrow or something.
We should meet the doctor on Sunday. Why did you always listen to yourself whenever you talk to me?
It's my call Monday or some other day, but the meeting is very important. I can't miss it.
Did you listen to yourself? Did you listen to whatever came out of your mouth? In other words, you're telling me the meeting is much important than me, your husband?
I didn't say that. The meeting is not important than you, but the meeting is important than this marriage.
Mavis, you're telling me the meeting is much important than this marriage? It means you don't respect this marriage?
Yes, I'll say it and say it again. Because if I wasn't working, we wouldn't have gotten married to me. What's all this?
You have the guts to use your left hand to talk to me, your husband? Mavis, you want the regret for saying this to me? It means you respect your job more than me. Neither the marriage.
Boss. Why are you misleading your wife like that? Why are you misleading madam like that? Again, there was no fear. Said you, me have a four fear because I was over me. When you're dead, I am Asay. I'm not a woman being. I am not supposed to do what 12 years. As you have for there when I want to say. No, but I'm afraid it was a chimney such a coming for us. Yes, we to check one of our fast. Me any pass a while. The piano, madam, I had in there. And you baby, I don't know who I'm going to get to move. I'm in a castle. And now, yes, sir. Said, we forgot baby said, Crammer only to make it. And a tough in the Bema. Once was a wife for your head and after for Bema. Cafrat. I don't know, madam.
Has it gotten to this?
Oh, Jado Churchill. Mention me before cry. And also, me be me phobia. No more man about low class. Who can them come? My pass ala kono. Me my pass ala kono. Jado Churchill. Pass me be catch me. Ah. What was that? Me say. O perform go from when I can say me no want me voice bia you was there open go some of no do come them come can be do about house around now share me more class more testing so
Paris, the 100 cedis I gave you was just for a shirt, and I think it's enough.
100 cedis na shirt one nation come no $30 sure she won the ball 23 Ghana cedis come on my saying can you cheat them down share what to me from boy I when one people brother
Let me add 50 to it to make it 150.
150 Ghana cedis shirt 150 cedis you also want to have first and our plan na to ade boutique achi yeah what's that 150 no land fine partner wo say na home visit here for say na no subanti me na me sisi na be kwaka dey na opportunity no come and feel cause I say here again hwe afa na yelo Azay bale go ni no lo ayi say am say me ka ma say at the end of the day no be ba we hu tina guy on the day guy ni hu fo president any the fans no it me care response am ya no jari na we what just say ba ne me wo so ya na mo ba man go aso am na su ai after mo ba man
God, men of today.
Hey, sister. I like one by one, like one by
Baby, honestly, I don't feel like taking it. Because I'm so stressed out. Yes. My boyfriend is giving me a problem. Can you imagine we just had an argument this afternoon? Just because he asked for money to buy shit and I gave him 100 cedis. Babies, this guy threw all the shit I need to hear to my face this afternoon. Just because I gave him 100 cedis. As if he gave me the money to give it to him. I have to add extra 50 cedis to it. And crying, it wasn't easy. He has to go to the extent of telling me even the shirt he's wearing, he bought it $30, his shoes, 300 cedis, even his hair, the cream he's using for his hair. Girlfriend, I'm just sick and tired of the whole thing. Honestly, I don't know if he thinks because he's handsome or I can't leave him for another man or something. I just don't get it.
It's not easy. Maybe but sometimes oh, also need Jaya, maybe able to solve no. The same to me. It is only put Jaya and when you're better to solve no more.
That's right, At least you are married. But look at me, you're not married yet. So imagine, starting from here. You can imagine when we get married, what will happen? Am I the one going to sponsor him? Or he is the one going to cater for me? Tell me. Is it going to be like this? Yeah, I can't take it anymore, honestly. I'm just tired of the whole thing. Oh, seriously. I can't take it anymore if it continues like this.
Azay. I didn't ask him. Since morning, you cook. Why this? Why cook? I didn't. You can't say let's go on street. I didn't ask him. Why won't I be cold? Why won't I be cold? After I have problems in the house with my wife? Then I mean, should I smile to my clients? I've said what I'm supposed to say. I've done what I'm supposed to do, but this fucking lady wouldn't listen to me. I see. And you saw when you time out. Who's what catch you so fucking? We are fucking. Opa, I don't know what you know. What's I just why fucking? And that means what you are fucking. And you saw when you be there. Huh? My brother, you don't understand. She doesn't want to be controlled. A life without instruction means you are living a life of distractions. So what if you now couldn't control? Now some person couldn't be control. Now I instruct you. It means you are going astray. My brother, you It was him you so fucking at the man. But in your man and Dana Kwanso. To the sense that I have to do what I'm supposed to do. But if it's sometimes going out to buy food myself. When we go to break, as soon as I land the break, and she gets up from the break, come and sit on her computer. All that she'll be doing is just be monitoring what is on the PC. To tell me about my particular son. Do you call this marriage?
My main cancer on show. The way I know my sequel. So I'm walking my muffle. Nana Transan Casa. So Obanu Kuna, one few of one of the We cannot crepana, one few of one of the before we bring fine out to Miss Show. Now, which I'm out.
When you hear Granny, tell me we should move the car out and go and get something to eat outside. All the advice he gave to us is about time we need to work over it. Dr. Namaya said, Nyamiyato, you have no problem. Everything about you is perfect. Mr. Nyamiyato, there's no problem. But it's about time we need to get time for ourselves. I personally name some programs we created them in Nima House and attend to. But when doctor speaks, sometimes on CT, you also come. Into the floor, I'm only trying to tell you, say, take 2 months leave from your work premises. Nothing a fee. Have time for yourself and have time for me. That's why I called you.
Imagine about someone 2 years leave for what? I won't am the man. But man, I will 2 different things. This time, you know, leave for 2 years for what?
Mavis, have help those who help themselves. Also, so what you want buana. Into more than what one went through. Say, woman who crying. Oh, bunko to just strength me. I've never seen you praying before. You don't do it. And he said, Doctor Namayati, as you say, young Tinasi, Nayan shedding a mebeya. It's not a crime. Any taboo. The only thing is, 2 months leave. Ever since I mean, I'm not for the past 4 or 5 good years, and me, won't you live that? Oh, 5 years live at the hotel. Every year, be 1 month, 2 weeks. And it's only 2 years at a leave, Grana, and require about 3 months. So why can't you take such a leave? Now can't your boss, it's about time you need to have time for yourself and have time for your husband.
I mean to make a deal for 2 years. Now, I'm very financial because of you. I can't lose my job. For what?
All right.
I can't.
Mavis, don't forget this. Ever since I got married to you, not a single day, my cousin now would see that. Don't forget, say, ding Azay, a dear mode. I respect you as my wife. That's why whatever you say, sometimes try to keep mute. But you one day regret it. I'm done.
Mavis, why are you not talking? Are you okay?
It's my husband.
What is your day? Our housewife. The reason is enjoy you. You can't enjoy you. I buy it so much dead matter.
At least I want to make it seriously. Make Mrs. Anna care. Why do you have to advise her so on person?
Are you listening to yourself? So because the husband says she should stop working, so she has to stay in the house and be what? Housewife.
You just sit the man down. If the man still insists to judge man, I will advise you say you have to stop and be a housewife. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Listen, don't stop working, okay? Continue to work.
Mr. Hinako, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. And the reason why I called you this afternoon is that, and the important meeting about the whole thing is concerning my wife.
Oh.
Of late, things have really changed in the house, and whenever I talk about it, it becomes a problem. So I know you being the boss, you can chip in.
Okay.
So concerning the time she leaves from the house, she leaves as early as 5:36. So based on that, she doesn't even prepare breakfast for me before leaving.
Oh, okay. You're talking about the attendance. I mean, over the past 4 years, her punctuality to work is so amazing, and I think I have you to thank for.
I hear. Thanks very much. And aside that, she's a married woman. So if a married woman is supposed to leave the house without preparing breakfast for the husband, it's a problem.
Sorry.
And which is, of course,
sorry.
It's really a problem.
I understand.
This issue has been bothering me for some time now. I've spoke over it and still, she's still at the same position. So I thought, you being the boss, you also have the same situation, or you
yes,
don't?
no, my case is different. When I'm not going home very early and I'm going to be late, my wife will bring the food to the office.
That sounds very good, but roughly, I beg of you, can you please give me some time?
We would look at her schedule and then see if we can give her 1 hour earlier to get to the house and then do something for you.
It's still the same situation because, you know, doctors advise that we shouldn't eat in the night. And if she's close around 10:30, 11, and you are giving her 1 hour before the time, the difference is she might get home around 8:39.
So what do you suggest?
Roughly 7:30 wouldn't be bad, at least. I can eat and take some oranges, another sweet after months, which will clear something because it's really pissing me off. I beg of you, boss.
I will look into the matter. Okay, I'll look into the matter and then I'll get back to you. Okay.
What is good about this evening? Mavis, what's damn good about this evening? You go out and come and greet me good evening and you expect me to respond by saying good evening, sweetheart? Mavis, you have totally changed. And you better change from that stupid attitude of yours. It's just so a bad feeling. Look at what the time you are coming home. Hush.
Say traffic occur. Was me prepare by 5 a.m. I'm doing by 6. I bet my friend and SFE as an amako.
You prefer to do my doors or yelling now. So what you my doors one, you're supposed to do all of them. Again to the proper with Casa and ma, my neighbors at Semenka. The homie Azay. The homie Azay disgracing myself in outside. You better change because if you don't change, I will change. You've got an opportunity to even leave your car in the house. It's a pressure mom seven talk about ya. Never do baby.
I don't feel like driving. I'm boss to be seen with you.
What she saying? Look at what she's saying. You don't just feel like driving. And to feel now pressure. Who plan to my question man? Now come with my question. Oh boss in your baby see you get.
What is wrong with it?
You've got an opportunity, you are misusing the opportunity, Mavis. You have then got an opportunity and you are misusing the opportunity. She dress out of the man up. And you see from can 2% of them, who boss and watch it. Who boss one watch it. Mavis, if you don't change, I will change. If you don't change, I will go ahead and change.
Baby. I'm very sorry. Let's rest for 30 minutes and then we'll go to
Take off your filthy hands on me. What's it, your kind of me? You are telling me to go and rest for 30 minutes and go to restaurant with you? Me who for some beer, you don't do anything in the house. The washing machine washes my clothes for me. Mavis, you are them getting on my nerves. You are getting on my nerves. Suck to marry.
Sometimes you make things so difficult for us.
Mavis, you are here telling me I'm making things very difficult.
I am a working lady.
Oh, look at what she's saying. Look at what she's saying. Today, Mavis is telling the whole world that she is a working lady. Then you have to do the responsibility as a working lady. You have to buy for yourself. You have to do and pay the utility bill yourself. The dress that you wear every day, I buy them myself. You have to buy them yourself from today onwards. And if you don't change from today onwards, I'll change this damn shit house.
My wife. Azay.
Yeah.
There, and maybe Baha and your bonnet. I'm said, you knew it. And you're saying, yeah, it's a too many. I worry more, 7 no matter of fear. And I mean, John. And there are too many. The man is saying, you made a bad bush in your Panama bed. About the Canadian idea to you. As I know, maybe because say time, you must say, near the Unyadaji and Famano. 6, I will go. Maybe fear 10. Tell mom also say, in an engine. Oh, our ring. On my seeing your man, on if you do a year name and a hard dream. What kind of point which no material say? So, on what car, don't I say? It's a best so be time to cry at the man. Or Bible crack I said, or bar be janina and the nature, or in home family, mobile on number. We not a half and a baby, half and a baby, Sebi, and so any. It's Miss Show. Why? You will be a teacher soon. You can break a car.
Some kind of you'll be a Juma. I was in my office 6 o'clock in the morning. They can't be Pia once, I say. Minute will be one of me, meaning that time, some yammy de corner, yammy pom. Will be a man, I may. Oh, almost a Michelle was a cat, what's if he will be Pia dear. But sometimes I was a mere just support home. Was about 1 year Juma, any dream for what's was a 1 year scar, and a yard. Missing for his car and from Emma day. It's working as a management.
I don't think over for. Be a good name out in your mouth for being on the wall.
Bravo, my postcode rich. Boom degree. Meet if I'm at Snaffy from my housewife.
There is a saying that 2 masters cannot control 1 ship.
That's true.
My father, Atika, and Mr. James Robertson. Was it the good things are written on sea, but the bad things are written on grass? The good things about her is when I go bankrupt, she supports me. When I'm dying in need of money to clear my goods from the port, she supports me. I pay her back when I'm done with it. In so many angles, she supports me, but I pay her back. I have no comment about that one. But the bad aspect about her is that what I'm telling her to do, she's not doing it. I've said this 1,000 times, but this lady is not willing to change. And these are the things I'm complaining about it. But if she's not willing to accept it, my dad always says, one day you go know that this is advice from my father. My father advised me, I did not listen to you. My brother, I'm getting to my room. Whenever she's okay, she can come. Azay.
When the customer now will train tea.
Again, me now will train tea was my worker. Because everything now you say is rubbish. I worry, we don't talk about degree. I worry. You don't damn talk about degree. You have to calm down and listen to whatever your husband tells you. In a way, we don't talk about degree at all. Even if your husband is totally bankrupt, he supports you in so many angles. Which I say, but whenever I speak, this lady is not willing to change. My feelings is not from the job I do. My feelings is not from the job I make. My feelings is from you getting a time for me and to prepare food for me. We will see. I rest my case, my brother. So just yourself. I said I don't have any problem. So what are you? Going to know? Oh my God. I'm in the house. I should have thinking of myself. Yeah. I beg of you, just a minute. Just a minute. What is it? Sure. Yeah, hello.
Azay.
What is it? Can't you see me talking on phone? Don't you distract me. Now that's spoil my mood. Hello. Yeah, I was only talking to somebody. Whenever you're ready, just give me a call and I will attend to you. I've said this over 1,000 times. Your friend is a different person altogether. I've told her to prepare something, even prepare something and keep it in the fridge. So whenever I come in late and at least I'm hungry, it's a matter of me taking some, microwave it up and eat it. But she wouldn't do it.
Is there no food in the kitchen? Actually, that's what I do normally. Because whenever I'm leaving the house, I make sure I cook something. Just so that when my boyfriend comes to the house, anytime, he can get something to eat. Yeah, so it's just like just open the fridge and whatever you want to eat, get it in there, warm it up. There he goes. So there's no problem in the house.
But I just want to be full and go to bed, that's all.
So do you have any foodstuffs in there?
Everything is in the kitchen.
Okay, don't worry. I'll try and get something for you.
Anything goes. Provided I'm full. I just go to bed with it.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, what do you think you're doing? I know you to be Mavis' friend.
snatch my responsibility. Then go mad to Atika.
Oh my God! What do you think you are doing? Now get out of my house.
She's your minute.
I know what I'm saying. Either you do it or I throw you out myself. From me. And then walk out of my house. Are you deaf? Now go before I do what I'm not supposed to do.
Shouting.
I'm shouting because I've said it and you don't want to listen to me. Now walk out of my house.
Okay, fine. Fine, my daughter.
You better do it.
Excuse me.
Stupid idiot.
Look at the records, it's telling me that you are always late. 9, 9:30, 10. What is it?
Boss, please, I'm sorry. Mama says you have a daughter and a husband to take care of them.
So you are trying to tell me that your daughter and your husband is more important?
Boss, you know, I prepared their food in the morning before coming in. You know, 6-year-old daughter, she's too young for me to leave her at home. So that's the reason why.
Are you not married? Are you not married?
I am, but I try to be here at 6 early in the morning. This should be a reason for you to always be late.
Maybe you don't have a daughter, so you don't understand what I mean.
What are you trying to say?
Boss, I'm sorry.
She's married. She has a husband. You have a husband. You cook, she cooks. And so what's your problem? It's as if you don't want the job. Do you want it?
Please, it won't happen.
It better not. Because if it does, you're out. If it does, I promise you, you're out. Are we clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's that?
What is that? What is it? You are a woman, you're supposed to understand me, okay? You have to be on my side. Maybe you don't have a child, that's why you are doing that. When you have your own baby, you understand what I'm going through.
Why should you bring the child issue into this conversation?
What? But what you are doing is not fair. You are a woman, you're supposed to be on my side.
Mavis! Like,
I'm Mary. Mary, I'm a Bio, a childhood friend.
Abina!
Yes.
Is that you?
Yes.
Oh, long time! Hey, the last time I came to your house.
Oh, you no longer staying there.
Wow. Is this your shop?
Oh no, I'm just a sales girl here.
Sales girl.
Yes.
Why? What happened?
Yeah, it's a long story.
You don't worry, I don't have time. Let me get my card.
Okay.
Yeah, Abina!
I'm coming up. Okay, call me. Wow, call me. Change.
Just say best spice in the correct names the time yeah, Mavis. Is it a brain pan or best story of fear? A shot at me. I felt bad. Send it dear. Oh, I'm cutting a fee. I just ran. I did your number of fee.
Well, you send me a very good. When you said you're a fan of that time. But I shake okay, so many as ever fee.
Mavis, what is she doing?
Tell me.
I know it's Tina, and I'm asking, what is she doing here?
Azay, I know. What do I know?
And I respect you as my wife, you have to also respect you as a husband. Just let her out. It's as simple as that. If you don't do it, I'm going to do that myself. Do you know what really transpired between the two of us when you were not here? You don't. So you will never understand what I'm talking about. So I'm telling you to let her out. It's as simple as that. This is my house. Whatever I say is fine now. You do it and do it better, or else I'll come and do that myself. So do it. If not, I'm going to surcharge you for that.
Honestly, I'm lost. I don't know what your husband is implying. Mavis, you are like a sister to me, okay? And there's nothing going on between your husband and I. Nothing.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. See me off. Come on, that's the truth. See me off before your husband comes out and scream again.
Look at you. Looking good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hello.
Yes.
Mary.
Oh, okay. Hello, Mary. Let me say.
My husband.
In fact, she has said so many things about you. So I'm really glad to meet you here. This is your house. You have the audacity to go wherever you want to go. Okay? I beg of you, you have no problem at all. Feel free and live with us.
Thank you.
Okay, sweetheart, I have an appointment, so I would love that you're going.
Okay.
So we'll meet you moving.
Okay. Have a
Take care.
nice day.
Thanks very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
made it, is it?
Mavis, is this where she's supposed to stand and welcome us?
Sorry.
Welcome us. Please. Mavis, what do you say here, Mavis? Mary. Can you please? I'm tired. Can you throw this away from me? Thank you. Mavis, why have you frowned your face like this?
I'm not friend maid. Mommy, you maid.
Mommy, you maid.
Where are you sending my dear son? I was a maid, Mom.
And I'm poor indeed. And who is she to you?
I'm your friend.
Your friend. Friend indeed. If she's your friend, let her come and sit with us. That way, you won't send her. Oh? Yeah. Are you not the one that feed her? So she is a maid. Let us smile, okay? It's my birthday, you can't spoil my mood for me. Hello. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. You didn't laugh. Happy birthday. Sorry. Make.
I'm on your side.
Good.
Let's have me Jawas. Let's have me say.
Whether you like it or not, she's gonna
So nice, my wife.
all the fun is
Mary.
Mary.
Libya, I'm a cousin. We asked me what you said before I sent Papa. Freeman sent out Bell, say Kim. Mary, say Mua. Say, let me who you see. Ask me what on water. And so, wow. Say, Miss Minister Boswa. No, my mean team. Ask me to be quite more function.
And I may be sure for an hour of the video.
Oh, I don't go. Maybe I say no. Maybe I say no. Say one can say to me. You will. Obey Fiano. So Tianet. So Tianet. Mary.
Says anything I was waiting.
Says anything I mean, Cassie. Obey Fiano. I want a damn son. Sebi. I want a damn son. I knew my home offended to you. The money will be any desire one. I was for plate it here, been watching you pop to you.
Ah, you what?
Sadly, now in Miss Road, a year child.
The matter. Welcome.
And can my intimidate you and you go and say, and more credit before you go. Piotr, can be bad. You go.
Tell me new.
Marine day, chat.
Hello, Mary.
Close.
You have gratitude. Introduction. Mary is a very close friend. Mavis is a Mavis. Mavis, a dreamer similar here. Mary, but trust me, she has been so supportive to us. We feel how I see need to see from. Si I'm not saying, the pianist often no comment about. She prepared good and delicious food. And yes, you just want to praise but I was like, oh yes. Sorry, oh, excuse me.
Yeah. Boss, me get man.
I be my man.
wow. Check it out.
Oh, come short, you know, shower now. I say, baby, you're very nice, pa.
Very important personalities.
Hey, VIP. Come on. It's not a VIP also. Yes, someone you know.
Excuse me. Please. The food is ready.
Oh, okay.
May, should I set the table now?
Yeah, come here.
Hey. Wow.
Mavis.
Why?
Like seriously? Is this not the same girl I met here some time ago?
Yeah, no.
Why is she dressed like this?
Oh, so fear.
Oh, Fie. Are you not in the house? Why are you dressed like this? Huh? So, like, the whole thing is confusing. You're sitting right there, relaxed and saying, oh, Fie. She's going to snatch your husband, okay?
That's it. She can't do that.
She can't.
No, Mary is a very good girl.
Also then, and I want to madam, no one can see the so nice. And I share Mary was a wine pair, 12 with an hand and 2 with them. And was the era was saying in his film. Hey, maybe some one in the hole. You do so kind, a big gun and cows.
When your sisters are taking their husband, their sister's husband away.
So, my one and never was so. Because I will be as well. You. Who must never inside the moon Mary wants a son. No, can't do that.
Yeah, you can't do that. You can't be several family busy riding on her. Oh, you can't do that. She won't dare. Oh my God.
Thank you very much.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you very much, dear.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Mary.
Please excuse me. Okay.
By His grace, my darling, it has really been very hectic, but by His grace, we are managing.
Good.
I have an issue sometimes. I feel like telling you sometimes. Something tells me to hold it, but honestly, let me just go ahead and tell you. Concerning Mary, your friend, I guess the very day that she was coming over, you told me she was coming to live with us for over 2 weeks. She has been here for more than 2-3 months now. I don't know what are her plans per se.
Sweetheart, who's a Mary? On in your own place. There's a nice own place now. We will be out. If you are not in a man in general, though no one longer signed I have to move out. It's also by PSS, your hot toy. Why you did be a maid, they're now complaining now. On Saturday, complaining. She does everything for us.
My dear person, do you know me? I don't have a problem with it. At least ever since she got into this house, I've seen so many changes in this house. The neatness and everything is perfect. So she can choose to live with us for 5 years. I don't have a problem with it. All that I have, or neither all that I wish she should attend to is just to give the respect. That's all.
So sorry.
I'm losing your phone, so I found. In a way.
But I've been a tomato.
Banabema. And what I'm for Bema to iPhone amount. I'm coming.
Don't worry, the manager.
Just be careful. This is a man cardio puncher.
Thank you.
I'm here much now. Me too going for some important appointment. And you had him around. Whilst we did dances ever since I'm married by Fiona, she has been so supportive to us. The problems and everything is no more. Now we live in harmony, life. Until we need to support to say we need to also give her what she wants. Although she has never complained, but we'll see your body, you'll see many giving her to turn home maybe. So be in case if she needs something, she wouldn't hesitate. And to be a drawer now, I will drop no third drawer and a sika, a woman. You better and we can assist the man. So fun to know, fun to tell me. Why?
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's okay.
And it should be more than 3 months.
Now, how will you say?
Roughly 3 days. Okay. I miss you so much. That's the nature of the job.
Mavis. And where did you say your husband is?
He has gone for a business trip.
He has gone for a business trip. Okay. And that your friend?
She told me she's going to visit her friend and she'll be back in 2 days' time.
I see. And you believed her. Mavis, have you ever thought of this? Like, anytime your husband leaves the house, your friend too is not there. Have you thought of that? Because I suspect something fishy between the both of them. Oh yes. Girl, are you sleeping? Huh? Mavis, wake up, okay?
Can you believe she's using iPhone 6 Plus? And when I asked her, she told me her friend gave it to her.
iPhone 6 what?
6 Plus.
Mary.
Yeah.
God, do you know how much that phone cost? And you believe that? Sandra.
Yes, dear.
Tell her what you told me the other time.
Mavis, my dear, to be honest with you, the last time I saw your husband and that girl at a restaurant.
What? Oh yes. Oh. And you didn't tell me.
Exactly. Anyway, now that she has told you, I think you know it now. Because she told me before that I had to do some little investigation to know how things are moving. You know me. Now that everything is clear, a friend of mine in church told me she saw your husband and that Mary girl in a hotel.
What? Mary and my husband in a hotel?
Have you ever lied to you before? No. So that's the truth.
Oh my God, I'm going mad.
Don't be mad. Act back.
You're welcome. Good. I'm good to know, sir. Toilet.
Hey, how are you? Are you okay? You sure?
Yeah. hospital.
Mary, if you want me to me fear, then you can jump now. Mary, then when I know fair. Mary, do you? You man want yam.
Me you would say, but you know sir.
Kasa me pet on yam.
Me. Me mo but I
Mary, tell me what's here. Before I'm ready to look you come down, Mary.
Over here, Mary.
Mary,
I feel you see.
Tell me what's here. Mama, why? Oh, that one and then you want what? Don't cut me nobody.
What we did was nothing wrong, okay? At least we did it to save your marriage. So I don't know complaining right now. Huh? Oh, please.
Okay, who the main country? And to part said you mama ye they say I heard you who an answer day. As a woman you have say.
So what Busan say? Send you now open massive no person. Maybe so perhaps man go to that extent. So mama I'm impregnating. No. It's just think, okay? When you
Mavis, where do you think you are going? And where are you coming at this time of the night? Mavis, you've not turned to be a thief. When you're coming inside your own room, you have to hide. Squeeze yourself, mingle yourself and come inside. You've not turned your stamina. When you're talking to me, you begin to become a bit nervous. So when are you going to change? Mavis? There was nobody to be found. You are not in the house. Mary is not in the house. It's all Ayuma. And Ayuma can't prepare anything for me.
Mary Nifi. Mary!
Nobody else, because she's nowhere to be found. She's not here. So don't waste your energy by calling her. What were you supposed to do? As a responsible, proper wife. You call Mary, Mary, I'm not in the house. Mary, somebody needs my help. So based on that, can you please prepare something for my husband? But every blessed day, I have to scream. Every blessed day, I have to talk on top of my voice. Every blessed day, I have to cry because of just common food. So when are you going to change, Mavis? When are you going to change? Thank you. I should have gone into my bedroom and sleep. But I tried to wait for it to see you coming. And observe the time. So in case there's a problem. At this time of the night, you were expecting to eat something in the microwave for me to eat. I should have gone to the bedroom and sleep. But I wanted to shock myself and observe the time you were coming from outside. Look at your dress code. Look at what you're wearing. As a married woman. I least expected these things from you. You better change, Mavis. Change and change for better. Because when I change, it will be worse than that.
Kasi mwe mwe ni asa bi nti fiampo no ne pa bia ne pressure say ni say ube ma no wonye hwe Azay bi da ma ka chi ni si tutu a etwe be ma enkomre nyina ya papa bi ofu ni say abaya no o bi di she ni pa ma ni apre nyina e wo mu ntia wa hwe no wa hwe yi a na busuafo no so ya o ba chiro.
Speechless. We are totally speechless. We should marry Aja. It didn't know so to me. Look at her age. It didn't know such a person between me and Ramana. Yes, I say, what should I love? I say, the age as a monk. Only say in two and a maybe, but in the moment can do grow. Central Police Station could be sir. Ever since an incident in see and that very day Nakasa, make a report to Central Police Station. I may see this Munama Bonti proper investigations. I won't. The picture why my friend I can't more than I'm a penny point. Information centers will come in, you won't believe it sent me this car could I have to give them money because I need such a person in this house. Me this girl could every blessed day before on be your business a mom to Ronia that day informations distribute and more beer who say Nipa say a year into they should look for her in case they find her. Kwaku auntie sir, don't mislead me, please, I beg of you. Mavis. What's America?
It's an account. You know if we are at a hospital. No one said it's an account. It's a million so question now for no. So Connie auntie home. Cemetery was Sam, yes.
Ever since gay free fear, Minya in night grandfather. Because Nipa will bow dear. Will be a soon himself. She said, no, I say, a chin up, pen, ye won't be beer. Would you doubt to me that? But what about me? Mean to me not just because me won't be put here. Say, quite been a way too pa. One can't choose if you were too quick. The phone I'll be free. Her phone is off. Information centers are medical jay. Still, many information being free. FM stations, still. Central Police Station, still. What do I do? You need that. Who cry or you were down for pano? You sleep all right. So I telling me it's a minject really. Then call some of your friends to verify whether she's there. Or one has to hand a one pay bill, no problem. I will have my peace of mind and sleep. To your show, so you be a woman.
I say, Missy, baby, oh, what can I can't show?
Oh, but I can't sleep. She was living in my house. You said the penalty to me fear and said she's nowhere to be found out. Why should I sleep?
That's why Madame for. That's something I met or Madame for. But I say I should have been in Yansankano.
Some minute, I go police station, I go radio station, in San Yankam. It's young train, if you're one of Basaba.
Kukuba no blame myself if I'm not doing what I'm
As
doing.
a many could have meant that why I'm not question.
Kukuba no blame me, accusing me. I said, the machine maybe. But I'm doing it. I'm doing it. One of my relatives be here.
I've been here to tell me about one of our boss.
Sure, sir. When you can so baby,
They said, my friend phone is and go through. I'm even surprised.
If it's what now, why be beside us? I will pay 1 month and I didn't be besides that. Me, my man, me papa, no far. Me say mo school and a bit here mo walk shower.
I met Mary on the roadside. There was some one shop where I was so told. I just felt pity for her. I'm never me feel. Many chance to be uncle who bush any dear.
It's so easy besides what I know. I would number fear, who made no one to show mamma, the papa bush any piano, and also number few sacket. Eh? Now, only no Fiana, Nanny J.
Everything was perfect. No. She was like a sister to me. My family see me near and I say, see it.
Will be any physical more. Catch me, I become on them.
See, when Mama, eh? My name's a local police station. I can't even eat, I can't sleep.
No problem to me, didn't mean I never made it. And you say, be a baby until, and I'm so, and I'm doing well. I'm about penacin. You want to grow. The picking us so much. I'm just a dear baby and tear. Maybe the wife shall say, oh, my worry, do we are not a sea chacha? Very bad fear. I want not to know. Oh, see, Kumama, or no animal. I'm a woman, I must be at a worry. I feel in Tina. Oh, I'm not fair. You okay? Why?
Mary.
Mary. You're the breath, right?
Mrs. Sehem, investigation maybe I heard. Me now one. If you say, man, who need to buy when you negotiate for? Who nani na school? How will you meet? It's who nani na phobia or nim omwa. Who bet me aqua be grana? See the odi which you know better. If you know dinner down for being sweaty, and then the conifi. And I be grow kubus and it messes up. Send me to an among Nanko Bush and fee, no share. And I say, we were calling now for fully be walk or be a not what you met in Why? What that woman? He said there was a be a he said one fun of the baby now. Tibuay, a friend. Why? None one.
Officer. And one.
Oh, I didn't do it.
Baby, me. When you said you were watching up to one, I said,
oh, baby. Oh, enye no we dey mess with enye no sa so baby adu no beboa esi egusu ye what I say it yetu anamo na be mu baby adom esi why mess no nti no se dey na
kweku kaka Azay binti di bia ye start say ye camera asem na ye penichira kwanya we ye hwehwe ma de yosa okay one of the series some guso we proper investigations e wono what baba me information about her ye guso ye hwehwe and no kasa me you into one anamo e dey tira say de nko a wo pese o che you love her so much the stand say che say de ye serious
no say madam
anti de na asma ba ya kan e na che say me ye hwehwe ni mu. The last time I heard Cameron say you were trying to show much concern. Lo and behold, you know my report here Assembly police station and information centers and film stations. We read the Bia that Insha and that Fox information center maintain that. The Bia also in your council information center by now the boy. Officer, good year. You work at anyone?
Yes, when you are bra, I bet you went to say will be accused you. Let's remove na baby a dream, said your macan. Bano suntu wana yesu egusu yenyaye yesu na mo bi ewusie tu bia no yebetu ekopum sa asemi yebenya no promise
officer officer there how many say so fees obetumi a me ma wonje no no anye the proper investigation
say
that's what I guess it
mesro say no so obetumi kra na enya bedi ensem ne do obi antimi fa bi mu say yebeyi ensem free
officer what come on What is it? Go ahead and talk to us. I said, no, who are you free? Don't be a fan. I say, I am married free or free. Ready or bad. Nigeria is a beer or home baby. And son married free. One year. No. Are you telling me Mary was pregnant before she left this house?
Say the name yes, you have to break. Mary. The movie in an amentias and go for police bar. Incident. There we are.
Franco, you won't make any meet me, sir. Tell me some make a tear panning. If you was a metias, your crown, maybe it's me and say, but yes, I'm more than meeting in Kunai.
Debbie, and you know, Cosa. Me and you know, and Madame Fu. And I know it's a man who has and in the BPI. What's when a bit man is a big crowd, Indian sea, then your infancy, you move behind the day. And I say, my friend, one of my years say, Sebi, the person of Warua, I didn't ask you, Waka.
I won't say, if you're not a walk, I may be found Bethia. I be brain, I'm mammy. Yes, I cry my head.
And 2% what can I see and not be also now, Mamma. Now, no, we see you now.
And can you shade them in Enka?
Debbie, we are son a happy. It's a baby I made, Jano, when you're watching a gown. It's a good genus. I what just said you more about yourself. And so, for you could not be out, she them now. Obana, 1 more now, who see you, Mahata. So it's my office baby at now. Education baby I do you know. It's my 12 so. What I say? It's my 12 so. Also in office baby at now. You went to my see I say eh?
The number you are calling is busy. Please stay on the line or call back later.
Are you blind?
Oh. Wait. Are you?
Pachoma, how are you?
Hey.
Pacho, come in to Atosodeo market.
Men talk to Sodeo market below. It is said you say Madame Oba. Now for full friends, Madame, talk to Sodeo women. Are you one?
Is that catch Madame, sir?
Oh, we are Catabari, the mean to me. Only Bobia the man of crowd with you, for Bobian. Almost say, I didn't mean to say flowers is in Guguso, a papa feared him, own family.
I said, we're home family.
Oh, macho. One was the feelings in him, sister, but in Juliana and San.
Are you
We are my mark of your crowd.
Oh, are you
Zion being shut. Oh, Mate.
This man's meant to some more.
Sir. Okay, but don't worry. What's on the let's send him over when your mom. No consultant. Why? No problem. Why? Okay. That's. There might be a how. Why? Come on.
Mary. Now they're okay.
You got to me go hospital.
Not the one my Mavis and Conquest.
Oh, tell them me, Jumana, I know busy. Tell them to me Hannah.
Hospital Ben now come.
You are yourself.
Oh no, Mammy found come a personal doctor on my wife.
Oh, Bryce, I'm a person medicine.
You are not bothering me. Let's go. Come inside. So from the road to hospital because I can do this, but I have an appointment. And my main friend doctor, my purpose is sooner don't pray anything to me. Hello, Doc. Good morning. One name said Azay said if I don't get a problem, I don't even call him. And I paid the boko, I am my wife, a down for being a man of the sea. Just attend to where the necessary checkups he also in there and let me have my bill, I'll pay you off. Why? Yes, she's called Mary. Okay. Man in Johnny Killing, she should come straight to your room, right? Okay, I hear. Thanks very much. I'll always count on you. Many like I say, you see, car or room 4. Just knock and get inside. Remember, go for but don't attend to the key. Just go in straight to one.
Who's it? I don't want country.
Are you telling me you pregnated Mary in this house? Which of course I knew nothing about it? So about you telling me, my brother, I love Mary. I want you to support me. Come and pour, seek out from. And the baby because the guy is very supportive in this house. Into worry now. One quapontine. One year say no, I'm again a year, I mean chippen, ye who know the beer shenimo, as she shan I reason as our poor reason. Thank you. So, Mamma say Messica and information centers, I say Messica and Central Police Station, I say Messica and no my first stations, I pay the travel. No, in very was that when the movie. In the shaker, walk with cheap depending. Out there and look for her yourself. Because I'm totally disappointed in you as a brother. I'm disappointed with you.
But you the same food, and you're not married again. Huh?
Oh no, it can't be true.
Marry me kuna down for you. What? When you say okra, brother, you say okra hospital. It's me kuna be so share no counsel be na practice something no.
Tell me you're not so sure.
And the brand be fear, no no to. Was one marrying them. That's all kind of no soup. Say, you couldn't be pia. My do a child bunny. Seriously, my do a child come down. Oh, what did you say? Huh? Sandra. Oh, crap. What if Sehem refused and Azay, like, you know, anything will happen? I suspected that girl. And the worst has already been done. There's nothing we can do about it. So my confused. Here, right? It's okay. Just relax.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mary.
Hiya. Mary.
Hello, Mary.
Mary, no, no. Mary, not a food or anything. Mary, I don't want to say. I'm a patch of white. Huh? Oh, when I find out now, come through us here. Many are saying, Mavis, I should show, sir. May I don't know, sir. Two should come out. Mary Matty, show you, Mamma. Why? That's it. That's it. Bye bye. Yeah. Wait a minute, I'm going to make them. What's he saying? Oh, you're sure it's a man, yes, sir.
What's this?
Jesus. They say, yeah, the who wedding, I'm for some yakasem. What do you want? We are dinner who married. Who was something who married? Who's our hero? When you quite fast, what marry any free fear. Me, Chopper, me coffee, me come in Bafia, when you know, me police for my so weary. When you move, and I'm the son, and I marry a free fear. When in the now for no, at your bar, and didn't you marry? What? I got to like you. Oh, in the name said, Sehem. Say me? Yes. Mavis, why? What did they catch us what you want? I knew my bar when ya. Like a machine, I did. May I dang?
I'm a friend about I say that. No one will need to be there. You should be a couple for me. It might be a relationship. So my country. Oh, poor. I didn't make a see.
Mavis, did you do that? Did you do that to Mary?
That's up for the money to
my hands are washed out of this issue.
You and Papa, one in Pau near Badaya crowd. We're making sure I say a French over them.